Hey everyone, Acer's approach to its mid-range gaming laptops has clearly changed with the release of the Nitro V 16S, which combines significant performance with a noticeably more elegant and portable design. This model eschews overly aggressive gaming aesthetics in favor of a simpler, more basic style that seems suitable for everyday use, work, and study in addition to gaming. The Nitro V 16S is remarkably light and thin for a 16-inch gaming laptop with discrete graphics. With a weight of about 2.1 kilograms and a thickness of about 19.9 millimeters when closed, it is far more portable than many of its 15-inch competitors, making it much more useful for those who travel, work, and live at home. This subtle approach is maintained by the keyboard, which nonetheless caters to gamers. 4-zone RGB backlighting from Acer allows for customization without detracting from the overall design. It is subtle rather than overbearing. The full numeric keypad provides usefulness for productivity tasks, and the WASD keys are graphically emphasized, which is useful during gaming sessions. Acer has carefully placed connectors throughout the chassis to provide simple, clutter-free access. Multiple USB Type-A connections for peripherals, a gigabit Ethernet connector for reliable wired networking, a combined audio jack, and a microSD card reader. Acer's sophisticated thermal system, which features 2 fans, numerous air intakes, and various exhaust tubes arranged throughout the chassis, manages cooling. One of the Nitro V 16S's best features is its display. Compared to conventional 16:9 panels, the 16-inch panel's 16:10 aspect ratio provides more vertical space, which is advantageous for both productivity and gaming. Users can select between a resolution of 2560 by 1600 or 1920 by 1200 with a refresh rate of 180 Hz depending on the configuration. The Nitro V 16S is designed to manage heavy workloads in terms of performance. Its central component is 14-core Intel Core i9-2700H CPU. This processor performs exceptionally well in multitasking situations, enabling users to work with demanding applications, stream, and play games all at once without experiencing any discernible lags. Nitro V 16S performs consistently and dependably in both benchmark tests and actual gaming. With steady frame rates and regulated temperatures, games like Red Dead Redemption 2, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and Far Cry 6 perform smoothly at high settings. Even when multitasking, the system seems quick and responsive thanks to 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. 2 1TB SSDs manage storage, providing excellent read and write speeds that guarantee quick boot times, quick game loading, and efficient workflow performance. Another area where the Nitro V 16S pleasantly surprises is battery life. Laptop can run for up to 10 hours on light chores like web browsing or document writing thanks to its 76 watt-hour battery and effective technology, which is remarkable for a gaming-focused device. The Nitro V 16S feels like a well-rounded, well-designed machine in daily use. Because of its small form factor and lower GPU power restrictions, it might not offer the best performance in its class. But for customers that value mobility, design, and long battery life in addition to powerful gaming performance, this is a fair trade-off. For gamers and designers looking for a powerful yet portable laptop that can manage contemporary games, creative workloads, and everyday duties without feeling heavy or too aggressive, the Acer Nitro V 16S is perfect. It is an appealing choice in its category since it offers a more sophisticated and well-rounded approach to the gaming laptop formula. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.